Hi guys, today I will be making a veggie salad, and here are my ingredients: lettuce, celery, onion, cucumber, tomato, shredded carrots, and peppers, orange, red, and yellow peppers. And then I will be adding the sunflower seeds, almonds, and I'm gonna be putting dates in my salad. Here, boiled egg. I'm just boiling it right now. I'm cooking it right now. Okay, so, and then later on I will be adding shredded cheese and what else? I think that's it. So, I'm just gonna get that ready and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, here's my salad. I have tomatoes, shredded carrots, that almonds, and then cucumber, the celery, I didn't put too much pepper, that's yellow pepper, sunflower seeds, and then onions, and then over here it's the dates. I chopped it, and then down here
lettuce.
it's a lettuce, and then I have here the cheese, and then I'm still waiting for the eggs to boil. Okay, and then I have to mix that. Just mix it. Okay, I'm done mixing, and then I'm gonna top it with the cheese. There. A lot of cheese. There. And the eggs. I think they're done. I have to turn this off. Okay, here's my salad. I know there's a lot of eggs, but that's what we like. Well, I hope you like this video, and leave us a comment, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.
Bye!
Thanks for watching.
Bye!
Okay, by the way, there's a dressing over here. It's what's the name of that dressing? Sweet honey Catalina. Okay, that's for our salad.
Bye!
Thanks for watching. Bye.